Okay, still in lockdown. Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Beth, and if you're not, hi guys, welcome back. But anyway, because we're in lockdown still, I can't go see my girl Faye to do my eyebrows. So the ends of my eyebrows are looking pretty non-existent, I must say. So I bought myself an eyebrow tint kit, and so yeah, today we're gonna try this. So it comes with, let me open it up. Oh yeah, a little spoolie. I think that's what they called it. Spoolie. Then we've got the colour cream. I need to get tracking off my face because it's just not happening, is it, guys? I'm gonna go this way this time. The activator. Then we've got instructions, and then you get it in this little tray, and it's got like that little, so you can mix it in there. So let me read the instructions. So basically, I think you put a couple of drops of that, and Bob's your uncle eyebrow dye. Let's have a look. Oh. 1 centimetre of dye cream with 3 drops of activating solution. Apply a small amount to a small area on the inner bend of the eyebrow or ear. Test. Sensitivity test. So I've got my Vaseline. So apparently you put that like over the top so it doesn't stain. So I'm gonna pierce the cream. This is the cream. How annoying is that, please? I need to get face tracking off however you do it. Right, so use the lid to pierce it. Here we go. Am I really zoomed in also? Or is it just really close? Oh no. Oh no. Look at that. Right, little squirt in there. Can you see that? A little squirt. Right, and now I'm gonna 5 drops. I feel like I might need to pour some out. So I don't feel like that was 5 drops, I feel like that was 500 drops. Mix well into a creamy consistency that does not drip. Right, so we're currently mixing. Oh, there it started smelling. Mum's just got back home. That dog alarm clock there for you guys. Hey, Momsy. Right, so I'm just applying some Vaseline around the edge. Obviously trying to go close, but like not too close to the actual eyebrow. I mean, to be honest, if this does go wrong, and it is all over my face, you know, I've got nowhere to go, so actually I've got to go to work. Use the mascara wand. This is a spoolie actually. If the cream touches your skin, wipe off immediately. Right. Should we go for it? I'm scared. Concentration level is honestly. I mean, I know it says it's going to change colour. But is it? Guys, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried doing your own eyebrows at home. It'd be interesting to know. If you have, and if it's worked. Right. Oh dear. Right, so I'm just gonna use this brush to try and get this bit off here. Well, this might be a bit risky, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna lightly coat the ends. I've got my mouth open. Sorry guys. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I actually can't cope with how much my mouth is open. I'm sorry, I really need to learn how to turn tracking off. I can't do it. It's probably like the simplest button as well, you know. Right, so I'm gonna go and clean my little tray and clean my spoolie and put everything away. And have finished my brew, so it's gonna take 10 minutes. 10 minutes apparently. 10 minutes and you've got new nicely dyed brows. Wow, look a bit crazy. I feel like they already have gone a bit darker. What do you think, guys? I just realised I didn't take a before picture. Wow, very start there. Right, so I'm back and geez Louise, they are dark. Oh dear. Oh no. Right, so I'm gonna get some micellar water on a cotton wool pad. Well, I'm out of that then. Please don't tell me that it's dark. Please don't tell me that it's dark. Please. Oh wait. I look up crazy ladies. Right, okay, I'm kind of vibing. Wow. What do you reckon, guys? For the first time at home, I'm liking them. I don't feel like my eyelashes have changed, but I feel like they're quite, oh shit, they're quite dark anyway. But yeah guys, so that's the first time I've tried that eyebrow kit, and I think I might, you know, considering we're in lockdown, I'm not going to be able to go see Faye for a while. This is what I'm going to have to do, innit? Like, they're all quite dark for blonde hair, but they'll fade. Until next time guys, make sure you stay safe, stay smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!